You have to go around.
Okay, like this.
You stand up, go around. Capture the masquerade very well so that people will enable people to join. Okay. You capture all these elderly men, their faces. Make I come out there.
Go with me.
Hmm?
You go with me.
No. They go with you.
I be
No. Oga Colonel, kedu ihe ifulu a na-eme tata? Sụọ ya n'oyibo.
Know that we are now after this initiation, we can get married. And they think to do other things with men too. And we are doing it we are happy to do it.
Thank you very much. God bless you, sir. So, your name, sir?
Yeah, I'm Chief Comrade Mwatu Postman, Senior Civilian of Federal Republic of Nigeria. It's a joyful something that our children are coming of age. As far as Enugu State is concerned, and then Kano as a senatorial district, as far as Enugu State is concerned, this is a tradition that our children have to participate to make them to become adults, to make them to become man, to make them to become married. This is the tradition of which once you are from 18 years upward, you are entitled to. It's 7 years or 8 years program.
Thank you very much.
So we are happy that our children belong to where we are the elders.
Thank you very much, sir. Sit down. Ka ịgwa anyị ka obi dị gị tata n'ihe a na-eme and sụọ ya n'oyibo so that ka ndị ọzọ na-ada nwee ike understand what we are doing here today. Thank you very much.
Daniel, grace of God, one of the seniors in the village here. This is our normal tradition from the origin, from our forefathers. This is when, after a child is grown up to age, from 18 and above, he belongs to this group, and we know he has matured to be a man. We do it every 7 years. So I'm very happy to see this. It's been long. Something that happened every 7 years. So I'm happy, grateful to God for keeping us alive to witness it again. And I'm happy for these youths that have matured enough to be men. Wish them good luck. Wish them happy celebration of this great occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Chief, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please, can you tell us what we are doing here today?
the fact in my heart. My name, first of all, is I'm happy.
We are live.
So witness this condition.
We are live.
I've been telling all my brothers, the small witness. I'm here because I'm being fun. So I'm happy to be with them here. And everything you're doing here is very, very successful.
Thank you very much.
And this gathering is giving me a joy. Since yesterday I was here. Since yesterday in the night we were here. This morning I was here. So there's no doubt about it. It's very, very cheap and it's okay.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can you tell us your name and what you are here for?
Okay, I'm Francis Lakwamu. But we are here to witness adulthood. Like this initiation that we know who and who the result to be married, you know, to do other things. I'm very happy. As my brother said, every 7 years. And you cannot imagine another 7 years before other group. Great. Yeah. So thank you very much. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. Yeah, as you can see, we are going to the field where they are doing the ceremony, and look at the small boys, young youths. They are working on to build up what they will use, the masquerade, where the masquerade will stay. So as you can see, works are going on. So as you can see, works are going everywhere. They are building the house of the masquerade, where the masquerade will stay today. So we are doing it both night, afternoon. So tomorrow is the real celebration. We are still coming soon. Look at the youth. This is the most senior ones, those ones that are doing today. So we are now still working to make sure that everything will go. So let me ask this, my brother. Bro, good morning. So what is your name and what are you doing here for today?
Son of Michael. We are happy today because we are junior ones entered the meeting. What they are holding before. This is not the first time. It's what our forefathers continue to do. So we are entering the new stage. So that is what we are here to guide them and lead them, show them what and what they will.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, as you can see, look at the elders and the young youths where they are building the masquerade house. So they are building the masquerade house. See, as you can see, where they are working to make sure that everywhere is okay. These are young guys. Look at our guys, our young youth, our village youth, everybody. So you can see men at work. They are working, they are building the stuff. Look at this young man. He's here building. Yeah, look at this one. Look at this young man. He's busy, serious, he's doing it. As you can see. Yes, the man is doing it. As you can see, he's going. Everything is moving. Yeah, this is the masquerade. I do it for you.
It's your food. I want tacos. I just don't know what kind. Uden map. Enwere ya.
Why not call me to your name? Also, Tony.
Also, Tony.
Good and fine.
Yeah, I'll say Ligwe.
I'm going to
Ada bota kwa so, iba so la piali ge ba kita. Mba, iba to kwa so la piali ge ba o.
Unti ku tu kita ma ko ma do ni mo nu ke no ma. Unti ko lo mo he gum.
Onye bụ egwu ma kwesịrị
namba na baro he ma. He ga ba ma ko talo he. Onye onye nje ko ba na. O so nda ba ma la, why we hand over? You got know. Also we just ma ko talo tu e ba kita. Maybe from ndo kenyu ndo feel na ba ma ma ko. Ona kwa ka ma ba kita ma kwa igbo. Akwa me gum.
As you can see, the young boys are on walk. They are walking. Yeah, the young boy is walking. Meso when you get in the car for
Olu welelu. Oh, ibe ku ka na eme. Oh, ibe ku ka na eme. Ah, ye ku ka na eme. Na igbodoro malo mata.
Opa life. Hey, hey, look at my young boy. Very sweet guy. This is the ceremonial part. They are trying to show you. Yes, I'm back again. I'm back again to where the elders. Our president, our youth president.
Ebe ekugele ewepụta on the ten na on. Elu mistake nna dey. Ihe a bụ ihe Amangene ya.
Biko, our president, gwa anyị okwu.
Ihe m na-ekwu bụ na
Kedu ihe ifụrụ a na-eme ebe a today?
ihe mkpụrụ a na-eme ebe a dị n'ọkpa chee ka m gwa unu ihe m chọrọ ịkọwata unu today ọ bụrụ na onye a ejighị opportunity a iji bịa n'aka edemọd gbasara ife ama ga na-enye ya 14,000 naira bifo ahụ soro anyị mebe ya so ọ jụrụ ya ma soro ọrụ ụlọ ya bifo mebifo without
nwayọọ kwa And like you, this your boy, I capture something. Oh my God!
I don't know who's my brother.
I'm not the problem now.
Kedai papa m.
Udo. Okay, man, what about New Year? What about Christmas? Okay, my idea. 4 million. Yeah, I'm back to